If you pronounce Okirikiri Kanapusienu.
Hey! Be like so ye. Okirikiri Kanapopose.
Hey! They cost salt. I've been affected. Hey!
Bless you.
Thank you.
Hey, Corona.
Like this are the best.
You know best.
Are the para.
See the China people.
Hey!
They cut them like bushmeat.
Don't let that
So the essence now. When before they go say you don't have credit. Now they tell me coronavirus.
What?
Coronavirus.
Don't tell me the time that kind of thing.
When they talk of Airtel, they talk of BTC.
What?
You think say they wise? You are a noble man. They say, I'm sorry, yo. You are a noble man.